Hi everyone, welcome back to our 30-day English study plan. Whether you've been with us from the beginning or you're just joining us today, you are in the right place. If you've missed any of the previous lessons, don't worry. Feel free to stick around and revisit any earlier lessons when you have the time. Let's keep going strong with day 8, where we will be talking about describing people and personalities. Ready? Let's get started. First, let's look at how to describe someone's physical appearance. When we talk about how people look, we often describe their height, their build, their hair, and facial features. Here are a few key phrases you can use. To talk about height, you can say, she is tall, she is short, or they are of average height. To talk about build, you can say, he is slim, she is a muscular build, they are athletic. To talk about hair, we can say, she has long, straight hair. He has short, curly hair. They have blonde hair. And to talk about facial features, you can say, she has blue eyes and a small nose. He has a beard and brown eyes. They have freckles. Now, let's move on to describing personality. There are many words we can use to describe someone's character, whether they are friendly, quiet, or funny. Let's go over some common adjectives. If someone is kind and helpful, you could say she is very kind. He is always helpful. If someone likes to talk and spend time with others, you might say she is very sociable. He's quite talkative. If someone prefers to be quiet or shy, you might describe them like this. He is very quiet. She's a bit shy. To describe someone who makes others laugh, you could say, he's so funny. He has a great sense of humor. These words will help you describe people in more detail, whether you are talking about their appearance or personality. Let's quickly compare a few words that often get mixed up when we describe people. Shy versus quiet. Shy means someone is nervous or uncomfortable in social situations. Quiet means someone doesn't talk much, but they may not be shy. Here's an example. He's shy at parties, but talks a lot with friends. Here's another example. We can say, she's just quiet by nature. Okay, now let's look at funny versus fun. Funny describes someone who makes you laugh. Fun describes someone who is enjoyable to spend time with. Here's an example. He's really funny and tells great jokes. Here's another example. She's so fun to be around. We always have a good time. All right, great job, my friend. So to finish up, here's your homework for today. Write a short paragraph describing one of your friends or family members. Include their physical appearance and personality. Use at least 5 adjectives from today's lesson. Feel free to drop it down in the comment section down below if you'd like for me to give you feedback on what you have written. You can change their names, of course. That's it for today. I hope you're feeling more confident describing people in English. Feel free to subscribe to the channel. Subscribe. Okay, keep learning, keep growing. I'll see you tomorrow. Bye for now.